Today I'm going to be reviewing Cullaby's medium armrest bed for dogs. You could fit 1 or 2 dogs in here. I'd like to thank Cullaby for sending this to me to review. So this is actually locked in place on the armrest. So you're going to have the straps that you put underneath here. That keeps it steady. And then you put your dog in here. I'm going to show you that's what it looks like on the inside. Really comfortable. And you get a bed. Let's see if we can get the dog. Come on in here. All right, go on. I have her harness on. So a harness is going to be better than a leash, especially in a car accident. And you can just clip them in and tighten it up. Lay down. It's definitely a good size. There you go. You can lay down in there. Go lay down. Lay down. Oh, there we go. So she could lay down in there, and no, you can stay. And then she's going to want her belly rubbed. You can definitely tighten this belt in the back to keep them from moving around, because she will move. She did move earlier. So, but if you want a good place to go put your dog while you're driving, the dog wants to be near you, this is a perfect solution, because now your dog's not going to be able to run all over you or around the car, and they're going to be comfortable and they're going to be safer because they've got a seatbelt. Well made, comfortable pad on the inside. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.